Hey, Sabula! No, welcome. Will you come here, man? Puyo! Come here! Puyo! Hey, Puyo! Environmental! Maybe we should go. Hey, well, I don't know. Baby, how are you? Where are you going?
Now we need to go. You say we give complete. This is your end. Fight for what you always make sure security are behind you. He noticed in the angle, they can come and slap you or come and complicate. So always make sure all information. If I meet that nerve for the person hand, tenants again, how to do it. Where's the truck? Oh, sir. Okay. I don't get
Go back to the other side.
No, I tell
Say, mommy, see you. I saw you in TV. That's your girl, that's about you. That's your girl,
That guy is a driver. Go.
Still operating within the city in line with the ban that has been established since 2006 in the Federal Capital Territory. You will recall that we have had this exercise in series, and I'm sure by now it's no more news that we'll continue to impound commercial motorcycles that are still plying the Federal Capital City. We have gotten up to over 600 motorcycles today, and then they will all be crushed by the special grace of God. The idea of crushing them is to serve as a deterrence to those who still don't believe that there is a ban on their activities in the Federal Capital City. Moreover, we have discovered that in the initial plan, the consideration is that most of these motorcycles were causing traffic issues. But today is beyond traffic. It's now security threat, to lives and property of residents of the Federal Capital City. Most of these motorcycles are used to facilitate criminal activities, ranging from one chance, snatching of, bags, snatching of, mobile phones, and then facilitating other criminal activities like drug peddling, and even much more dangerous, crime in the Federal Capital City. So today it behoves on all the security agencies that they should all come together and then raid, the Federal Capital City of those that are still in disobedience to this noble, very noble, approach to cleaning and ensuring that we have a safe city. So today is another testimony that we will not rest on our oars. We will continue to do this as long as we continue to experience disobedience or flouting of very simple government order. So the Honorable Minister of Federal Capital Territory has recently constituted a task team, to ensure that the city is safe, and then in support of that, we are equally doing this so that at least as our own complementary, contribution, to ensuring that we have a safe city now that we are approaching Christmas and New Year, festival or break.
Okay. So this rate has been going on for quite a number of time now, and it's consistent. Have there been any reduction in terms of the numbers still flying this way? Considering that several have been impounded and crushed, have there been a reduction in this?
It remains amazing that with the turnout, it doesn't really look like there's any reduction, because anytime the security agency stepped out for enforcement, we still cut away with surprisingly a large number of motorcycles, which shows that I'm not really very sure that they rely on the gains of either the commercial activities. I think it's beyond that. There's something deeper that we need to really look at, because without crime, I'm not sure it's only the issue of running a commercial activity that keep them going in numbers like this. I think there's much more to it. And I think we need to deepen our investigation, our intelligence, and then start busting them where they are kept now, not even, trying to, arrest or impound them on the road.
First foremost, let me introduce myself to you. I'm an ACP Modema Gauta. I'm an AC Operations. I'm representing the Commissioner of Police, FCT, Aruna Garba. You see, if you are following this exercise, about 2 months ago, something happened here. Because FCT is one of the action plan. That is one of the strategies that we have set up to ensure no room for criminality within the FCT. If you look at the location of this, where they were apprehended, where the motorcycle were impounded, it's within the metropolitan. And FCT is a seat of power. So this where we are is within the executive, the three arms of government, that is the executive, the legislative, and the judiciaries. So I don't think there will be any reason for us to fold our hands and allow the criminalities happen within the FCT, because all what we need were given to us to ensure we check the criminal and the criminality. And those people you see, the offenders, they are criminals. They are not just Okadas. They are criminals. They use their Okadas to commit robbery, to commit even ventures, because they snatch bags. They commit robbery. So they are treated like a criminal. So those motorcycles here you see, they are going to be impounded. They are impounded. They are going to be crushed. I think about 639 motorcycles that are here, and in the next couple of minutes they are going to be crushed. That's it. As you have heard from the first speaker, he has spoke very well. And if you look at the strategies yielded a lot of results, because the criminality within the city had reduced to the barest minimum because of the constant and simultaneous crushings of those motorcycles. And I commend him, being as a chairman, and also I commend the Joint Task Force are doing this job. So it's a benefit of the residents of the FCT. So I believe no stones will be left unturned, and the operations is going to be continuous, no going back.
Let me start by introducing myself. My name is DCC Hussein Bipama, in charge of critical national asset and infrastructure. And I'm here to represent my commandant, Olushola Odumusu, FCT Commandant, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps. Most of the scavengers were arrested. They were being brought by these Okada people from the suburbs. They used to bring them, then they will hibernate around the federal capital city. Then in the middle of the night, because you see scavenger in the middle of the night, somewhere around late hours, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. How did you come? You wouldn't have trekked from somewhere to come. So the medium of the Okadas are medium of conveyance of those that perpetrate vandalism in the city, and also they serve as the medium of transporting it again away. So I think with the ban on the activities of this Okada within the federal capital city, that is the city center, I think there will be a tremendous reduction if we can sustain it. Then items such as manhole covers, the traffic light accessories, as well as the solar panels and the rest will not be vandalized indiscriminately as it used to happen before. So with this arrest and crushing of over 690 motorcycles, it will serve as a message. It will send clear signal, one, to the Okada riders that it's no longer business as usual and it's going to be sustained. Then to their sponsors, they should help government to maintain sanity within the city And then to their patronizers, those people that use Okada as a medium of transportation, most of these motorcycles you see here are not genuinely registered. Atrocities committed by them cannot be traceable. So therefore, you are at the risk of being in danger if you enter motorcycle to go to anywhere you want to go. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
no.
Okay, 1 minute.
By the powers conferred on me as the Directorate of Road Traffic Services, being the lead agency in this operation, I declare this exercise, open.
Let fire service started.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.